This is the fifth part of our third lesson. It is 1.3, the cock and the anthem. So open your books, page number 29, sixth paragraph, from here on the opposite side. Now listen carefully. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. So what is the meaning of pretension? Look at the board. Pretension, it means showing more attractive than it is in real. So, on the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretension. So, first, on the 6th Avenue Road, Sophie broke a shop's window by throwing a stone. And there, he thought the police will come, the cop will come and arrest him and took him into the prison, into the island. But that didn't happen. So, after that, on the opposite side of that shop, that street, there was a restaurant, and that restaurant of no great pretension. It means the owner of that restaurant didn't make that restaurant look more attractive. The owner left the restaurant as it is. So that restaurant was looking very dull, normal. It catered. See the meaning of this word? Catered, it means serve food. It catered to large appetites. Large appetites. In this lesson, meaning of this, look at the board. It means very hungry. And modest. Modest. Meaning of this word? Limited or less. Modest purses. See the meaning of this word? Purses. It means money. So what is the meaning of all this sentence? It catered to large appetites and modest purses. It means Sophie didn't have money, and he thought in that restaurant he will definitely get something to eat, and no one will get doubt on him that he doesn't have money. It's crockery. See the meaning of this word? Crockery. It means plates or dishes. Its crockery and atmosphere were thick. Now, meaning of this word thick in this lesson is densely filled. This is one meaning. Second meaning is many people or things closely together in a small place. So its crockery and atmosphere very thick. It means in that restaurant there were many plates and dishes in a small place. You could see many plates and dishes scattered, and the atmosphere, whole atmosphere of that restaurant, that was also looking very dull, very thick. It's soap and nappy. See the meaning of this word, nappy? Nappy, it means napkin or tablecloths. Now, here is given the information about a tablecloth we use to wash our dishes or table. Anything is scattered there, so we use that paper to wash that or to clean the table. That nappy, size of that nappy was very thin. It's not very thick, it's a very thin paper. Into this place, Sophie betook. So what is the meaning of betook? Look at here. Betook, it is past tense of betake. So what is the meaning of betake? Betake, it means to go to. Into the place, Sophie betook himself without challenge. Now Sophie thought that in that restaurant, I don't have any kind of challenge to enter. Definitely I will enter in that restaurant, and definitely the waiter will give me food, whatever I will order. And no one will doubt on me that I don't have money. At a table he sat and consumed. See the meaning of this word, consume? Consume, it means eat. Now here is given the word consumed. It means ate. Beef stick. See the meaning of this word, beef stick? It is meat, a kind of meat, cow meat, buffalo meat, ox meat, any kind of meat. Flapjacks. See the meaning of this word, flapjacks? A kind of biscuits. Flapjacks, donuts. See the meaning of this word, donut? I will give you in this side. Let me first clean this side. Now see, donuts. What is the meaning of donuts? It is a ring shaped fried cake. So donut, it is a ring shape. This kind of shape. A ring shaped fried cake. This is a kind of cake is fried, and this cake was of the ring shape, that is called donut. Okay. And pie. See the meaning of this word pie? Baked meat, fruits, etc. covered with paste or pastry. So all these things, beefsteak, flapjacks, donuts and pie, Sophie ordered and ate there. And then he told the waiter the fact that the minutest coin. So what is the meaning of minutest? Minutest, it means less or limited or no, nothing. Coins, it means money, and himself were totally strangers. So after eating everything, beefsteak, flapjack, donuts and pie, Sophie ate everything, and after that told the waiter the real fact, and he told the waiter that I have eaten everything, but now I don't have money to give you, because limited money, less money, and I were very stranger from a long time. It means from a long time I didn't have money to pay for food. Now get busy. Get busy. What is the meaning of get busy? Get busy, it means quickly or be quick. Now get busy and call a cop, said Sophie, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. After this, Sophie told the waiter, be quick or quickly call the cop, police to arrest me, and don't be late, wait for a long time. No cop for you, said the waiter with a voice like butter cake and an eye like the cherry in the Manhattan cactus. Hey con. So what is the meaning of this word hey? Look at here. An expression used to call attention. Con. What is the con? Con, it is the name of another waiter. So when Sophie said to the waiter that go quickly and call the cop, call the police to arrest me, after that the waiter said you don't need to call police. Why? Because we will give you punishment instead of the police. And after that the waiter called another waiter, hey cop, come here. Neatly upon his left ear on the callus. See the meaning of this word callus. Here the meaning is very hard. Look at in this blue line. Callus, it means very hard. Pavement and waiters pitched Sophie. Pitched, it means thrilled. So after that the waiter very hardly slapped on the left ear of Sophie and very harshly pushed him down on the pavement, on the footpath with the help of another waiter. He aroused. See the meaning of this word arouse? It means stood up. Arouse, it is the past tense of arise. Arise, it means stand up. He arose joint by joint as a carpenter's rule opens and dust his clothes. So after throwing on the pavement on the footpath, Soapy stood up and after that started to clean dust of his dress. Then arrest seemed now but an elusive dream. Elusive, meaning of this word given here in this blue line, look at here. Difficult to find, catch or achieve. So then Soapy thought that being arrested, it is very difficult for me to achieve this kind of situation. The island means prison or jail. The island seemed very far away. The policeman who stood before a drugstore. Drugstore, it means a medical store or a liquor store, any store. A policeman who stood before a drugstore 2 doors away laughed and walked down the street. And when this incident happened with Soapy that time, on the opposite side there were a drugstore. It may be a medical store or a liquor store. There were a police officer, and that police officer saw everything. And after seeing that incident, the police officer laughed on Soapy but didn't arrest him. And after laughing, that police officer went away from there. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.